Guys, today I'm going to review
Ta-da! A party bag of Play-Doh. Okay. How many Play-Doh cans are there? What happened to your mouth?
Are you excited?
Are you so excited that
Yeah, it doesn't look crazy.
it's a party bag?
It's a party bag.
You like it?
Yeah, my dad bought it, and it's let's get started. So let me cut. It's hard. And it comes with some stickers. It has sprinkles on it with different sprinkles, and a present one, and a star one, and another present one, and
Can you show me?
and a princess one, and a candle one, and a present one again.
Can you show me? Is it came with the pack?
And it has some in the back.
How many are there?
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16.
Good.
Okay. And now let's get all the Play-Dohs out.
Do you know any color names?
Well, I'll tell you later. Until I build the tower. Okay, so we have pink, yellow, purple, green, pink, orange, yellow, green, purple, blue, aqua blue, pink, aqua blue, orange, and aqua blue, red. And now let's get started. We'll put each sticker on each one.
So, are you going to give it to your friends?
Yeah?
Hmm?
And are we going to play with it today?
Can you show me the cap? Can you show me cap?
So we can put the stickers and keep it like this. And give it to our friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.